Hi there everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to declutter, sort out and clean my eldest son's bedroom. He is 6 years old, he's just had his 6th birthday and he's accumulated a lot of new things because of this. So I want to declutter and clean and dust in here and get it looking all organised and fresh and new. No one's stopping. Obviously I've got my shadow helping me out today as usual. I'm gonna look through these boxes and baskets first of all. This one is full of board games and things. I'm just sorting through and seeing what he's grown out of. Anything he has grown out of I will be donating to charity. Anything he still plays with I will be sorting out and putting back into the boxes. So I love having sort outs like this. It makes me feel like the house has really been decluttered and things that aren't used are being put somewhere where they will be used by someone else. Same goes for this box. This is full of costumes and things, so I'm just sorting out and seeing what we need to keep. Onto his desk area now, and it's just become a bit cluttered, as has most of his room. So I'm just going to declutter, get rid of things that don't need to be there anymore, find homes for all the things that he does need, and just make it a much more minimal space where he can just see all the things that he needs and get rid of the stuff that he doesn't need. And once the space is empty like this, it's a great excuse to clean. I'm just using a cloth and a flash spray to wipe down the desk and dust everything on it, like his Alexa and his pen pots. I'm also going to empty his bin, which was full. Now this is his little display of his glass animals and his little porcelain animals. Don't ask me why he loves these things, but he absolutely does, and he displays them so proudly. So I'm very, very careful with them, but I'm just going to sort them out and give them a little dust as well. He has so many surfaces in this room, so I'm just really thinking about making the most of the space. So I'm just going to dust the surface here and think about what would be better on here. He loves to display his things, so I'm going to turn this into a little area for his favorite Pokemon cards, which are all on stands and nicely displayed, which he will love. I'm just going to dust them down with my flash duster as well. Nothing can break me. I'm going to do the same on this surface here. I'm going to sort through his things, think about what his favourite things are and what things should be out in his room. His absolute passion at the moment is Baby Yoda and Mandalorian. So once I've dusted all this down with my flash duster, I'm going to make a little Baby Yoda Mandalorian display corner here for him with all his favourite bits on it. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna. These shelves here are such dust magnets where there's so many things on them, they just collect dust so quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do is empty every single shelf on this unit so that I can dust it all thoroughly before I put anything back on. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. And I've just minimized and decluttered what things are actually going to go on these shelves, thinking about what his favorite things are, because obviously with little kids, their favorite things change so quickly. So I'm just displaying all the things I think he will like the most on each of the shelves and just minimizing it a bit, making it look less cluttered. But when you left, I could feel it grow. Like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul, and getting hard. I've also had a really good sort through his books. Any of the books that he has outgrown, I'm going to put into Cooper's room, ready for Cooper to have, and all the books that he still loves, I will keep in Leo's room. So I'm just going to clear his bookshelves here. These are actually picture ledges, but we use them as bookshelves. They work so well. I'm just going to dust them down with the flash duster and then really minimize what books are on here. I'm just going to put a few on here, a few of his favorites and a few that maybe he's forgotten about and that we haven't read for ages that he might pick up at bedtime. And a better version of me inside. I'm also just going to quickly dust down his windowsill. It's so covered in these Pokeballs. That's a Mexican skull that his dad brought back for him from Mexico. I'm just going to dust it all down, and I'm going to put some finishing touches in the room, like these little ornaments and some books he got for his birthday. Hang up his jiu-jitsu gi that is very special to him, and just walk around and do some finishing touches. Under my control, you know. Lastly, I'm going to hoover the carpet really thoroughly, making sure it's got those lovely clear hoover lines that I absolutely love and make me feel like the room is really complete. And I'm just going to lightly spray it with the Febreze fabric spray. But here you go, the room is looking so much more minimal, so much more decluttered. All his favourite things are here for him to see, and the things that he doesn't love as much anymore are either been donated or given to his brother, and it just feels like such a child-led, exciting room. I love that he loves his room. I love that it's just completely centered around him and what he is into, and it just changes and evolves as he gets older. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.